Okay guys, so we have finally set up the TV with the help from the Then My Son people. All stock speakers on the TV are bad, the audio quality are bad. So if you want to enjoy such a TV, we need to upgrade with a sound bar. So there's a lot of brands, really a lot, but I have decided to go with JBL because that's what I am familiar with. Other brands I wouldn't dare to buy because I need to hear the sound first in the shop. But for JBL, I'm very confident with them. Therefore, I didn't even check out how it sounds like at all at the shop. Because I have a JBL Charge 3, the small Bluetooth portable speaker, and it's for that size, it's fantastic. It's superb, the quality for indoor usage. JBL Bar 2.1 deep bass. Okay, as research, this one is 300 watts. To each his own. I think 300 watts for home usage is more than enough. So let's see how is it. Okay, unboxing time. Okay, need to cut from here. Looks like it's open from the okay. Feels lighter than that. Feels lighter than a bag of rice. Doesn't feel like 5 kg at all. Maybe about 4. Yeah, but it is 5.7 kg about there. Okay. Okay, it's very equal, the weight is equal left and right. Okay, show you guys the box before I put it away. Okay, this should be the front view, side, top and rear. Okay, take out the box, styrofoam box. And yes, the soundbar. Oh, this is light. This is very light. Yeah, this is definitely light. The subwoofer is quite a weight. Okay. The grand card. Okay. Oh, okay, cool. Is this the manual? Show you guys how is the woofer at the bottom before I turn it upright. Okay. Alright. Wow. Smells good, man. Smells like the usual chemical new product. Smells like those products with chemical. Yeah, awesome, man. JBL. So the sound comes out at the rear and at the bottom, right? So let's check the specs over here. Standard power cord. I'm not sure what is this. I'll check it out later. JBL 2.1 deep bass with wireless subwoofer. Let's open the soundbar now. Wow, nice packaging. Very nice, subtle orange signature JBL color. Okay, so this soundbar is Bluetooth compatible as well. This is only HDMI 1.4, which does not support EARC. EARC means Enhanced Audio Return Channel, which means it gives you better audio quality from the TV. So this is only ARC. Audio return channel. Though the TV has EARC, Enhanced Audio Return Channel, the soundbar only supports HDMI 1.4, which only comes out as ARC. So what we will actually listen is compressed audio. The audio quality coming out from the soundbar won't be as good as a EARC HDMI port. So this one has got the optical line out as well. It uses laser beam to send audio channel to the soundbar. I did try to search what's the wattage usage for this. However, JBL spec sheet does not mention how much does this use other than 300 watts output power. I take it as a reference, so it should be about there, a 300 watt equivalent LG. The subwoofer will take about 33 watt of power. The soundbar, it uses about 22 watts. So total it's 55 watt usage. This is not official specifications. I'm guessing as a reference point. The TV is 75 inch. It should be taking about 165 watt. So what is coming out from the soundbar is 100 watts of output power, 4 drivers at the center here, and 2 tweeters. So total of 6 speakers here. And this one, subwoofer, it outputs 200 watts. So total it's 300 watts. Alright, so let's see what's inside this box. 8 of these power plugs. These are the wall mount. You can mount the soundbar on the wall. Battery for the remote. Okay, and this is the HDMI cable. There is no optical wire at all. So manual, I'll check it out later. And of course the remote. The remote is pretty slick. It has got the HDMI CEC. CEC stands for Consumers Electronic Control. So what the CEC functionality does is that you have to set it up with your TV and the speaker, enable it, and you can set the JBL audio, the volume level with the LG TV remote control. So it's pretty seamless due to HDMI wiring. Due to HDMI technology, you don't need to use 2 controllers anymore. Alright guys, so that is all our setup now. I know that it's quite difficult to determine the sound quality online. So I'll use a Zoom H1N recorder so that I'll get the best audio quality for you guys to check out the sound as close as possible. Alright guys, so I have finally set up the JBL already. Alright, this is TV speakers. JBL speakers are off. Volume set to 55%. Alright, so that is the sound of the stock speakers from the TV. It's just 20 watts. 20 watts, it's more than adequate for house audio system. However, the sound didn't really impress me. There was some effort in the bass, the part where it goes boom, boom, boom. There is some effort, however, there's no... It sounds, okay, not completely flat to me, the stock speakers on the LG 75 inch. It's There is some effort, but it's still not impressive. Alright guys, so after troubleshooting, it should be playing on the JBL speakers, not on the TV. 33 is the max volume. That is a lot of difference. Wow, that is... I'm very impressed with the sound. A lot of difference. Wow guys, that is huge difference from the TV stock speakers. I am thoroughly impressed. This is crazy, man. This is crazy. Alright man, anyway guys, thanks for watching. Any comments, any question, feel free to comment in the comment section below. Wow, this is definitely worth my buy, man. Thanks for watching.